Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix the annoying "I can't deliver user unavailable" error message on Facebook Messenger. First, let's try clearing the Messenger cache. If you are on Android, navigate to your phone's settings. Go to Apps and Notifications, find Messenger and tap on it. Go to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. If you are using an iPhone, open the Messenger app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Go to Settings, then Account Settings, followed by Storage. Finally, tap on Clear Cache. Next, let's try disabling battery optimization for Messenger, but remember this only applies to Android devices. Open your phone's settings and go to Apps and Notifications. Find Messenger and tap on it. Select Battery and turn off battery optimization. Now let's check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your device. A weak or unstable connection can cause issues with message delivery. Sometimes an outdated app version might be the culprit. To update Messenger, open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Search for Messenger and check if there is an update available. If yes, download and install it. If clearing the cache and other steps haven't worked, you can try reinstalling Messenger. Uninstall the Messenger app from your device. Then reinstall it from the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. If you are still experiencing the error after trying all these steps, it's best to contact Facebook support for further assistance. You can find a link to their contact page in the description below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.